Welcome to GOYUM Group.
I'm Hassan Issa from Sudan. I'm worked in vegetable oil about 30 years. I work on many machines, oil mill from UK and China and India. But GOYUM is very good machines. It's a very reliable machine, even in yield. In oil extraction, very good, very simple machine. You can depend on it in your work and your business. For my colleague in Sudanese in oil mill, I can recommend him to buy from GOYUM because it's very good machines. Now all Sudan work with GOYUM machine.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.